Welcome back to the build. I actually forget what day it is, but it is 3 weeks since I had material drop, so I think we're doing pretty good there. You can see some electrical stuff behind me. I'll talk about that at another time, but I'm going to attempt to put the header in here, and let me explain what's going on. Okay, there's the two headers for the old windows that were here, and of course they're now here. And I put the blinds up so we could sleep at night. But anyhow, I got to take these old headers out and then take that post out of the middle. It's for 2x6s and put one long post in. Here's what it looks like from this room. You can see the drywall up there. What I'm going to attempt to do is not mess with the drywall, so I don't have to re-drywall that. I'm going to try to take it all off from the back side and put the new one in. So what you can see is these screws. That's how they put the drywall up. Now, I thought, I know those screws I can get at, but there's going to be screws higher. How can I find those? And so I got myself a little magnet. And you're going to see a mark right here because I already found them. I just ran the magnet all across the walls until I found the screws. So I have... There's another one here and another one over there. I'll just clear that out a little and take that screw out, and that should be pretty good. And then pull things from the other side, but we're gonna see how well that works. As you can see, I was able to get the header in with the help of Jane. Taking the old stuff out was about what I expected. It was kind of hard, but it wasn't all that bad. Here, let me show you the other side. I was able to get the old headers out without a whole lot of damage to the drywall. I had to cut through in a couple spots just to get in some nails from the back side, but that will fill pretty good. We'll patch it up pretty easily instead of ripping the whole piece out and starting over. So I'm happy about that. All in all, not bad for a day's work. Average homeowner here. Until the next time.